Alright guys, let's talk about this robot. Very functional. I'm amazed on how well it works actually, because it goes to the very corner, it cleans the corners, it goes on top of the rug. He also works on carpets. This is the charging station. The dust compartment is not that big, so you do have to empty it often for best functionality. And mopping wise, here's the mop. Decent, not the best I've ever had, to be honest. But you can always run it twice, and then it does a great job. So that's what I do. I run it every second night, and honestly helps me so much. Like I said, it goes under, does a good job. Here's the corner. You see that I don't have some parts right now. Here's the door. It goes to rooms and everything. It goes back. Make sure it's a good job. Probably so you guys can see it working, but definitely deserve a 5-star review because it easily goes on top of things, and also does the corner very well. You can choose different strengths, like how fast or how strong the suction is, and that helps a lot. So you see, goes right through and keep going. Goes behind the door. Not too noisy. I run during the night. You can set up a time. It runs on itself. Run it on its own. Here. Let me show you guys. I'm sure I'm gonna go under the bed. When I see it's in the carpet, I usually increase the suction strength, so these nice marks in the carpet. There it goes. Cleaning. What a great help at home. Now, let me wait until I get here so I can show you guys the dust compartment, how big it is and so on. Or I just take a photo for you guys. It takes too long to come out of under the bed. You do have to lift whatever is on the way, just normal. Here. Come on. Oh, stop. Paused. Here we go. To remove the dust compartment, it's very easy. Boom, boom, boom. And then to open it, you take this part off, and then it's easy peasy. Right there. That's how big the dust compartment it is. But you see, it just started in Maine. There we go. Installing the mop is very easy as well, although taking it out of the vacuum, it's tricky, so you better look at the manual. I hope this review was helpful, and thank you for watching.
la causa debería dándole contratos de reserva. Esto es encima. Es probablemente, no probablemente no haya sido probablemente ahí, pero él tiene que entregar a alguien. Si le corta la cabeza con una guillotina a cualquier funcionario, se equivoca, e insisto que lo puede hacer jefe de inspección de entonces debería cortarle la cabeza y que lo ayude. No sabemos, pero alguien lo ayudó mal. Si viste que hay un cercano, pues no ya lo había puesto claro. Él estuvo realmente. Tiene que ser alguien que entienda del mundo crítico, evidentemente. No tiene mucha regla. No.
Start charging. Start auto empty.